Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be crafting a unique structural design, one that frames a mirror or becomes a bold statement on any wall. Though I have chosen to place mine in the bathroom, this creation is versatile. Imagine it gracing an entryway, a living space, or any room that craves a touch of character. We begin by entering the wall editor. Here, I increased the wall's extrusion. I had it at 0.1 initially, but I need to raise it slightly more to close this small gap. Once that is done, it's time to outline where your mirror edges will sit. Use guidelines to mark everything out precisely before you dare to draw a single line. Remember, this inner recessed area must be at 0.1, just a touch less than the surrounding extruded edges. Now, take your line tool and begin sketching. Do not overthink it. This is not about symmetry or perfection. It must feel like shattered glass, beautifully chaotic. Keep drawing, letting your lines dance into jagged fragments. If a shape displeases you, erase and start again. Connect your lines, and once the outline is complete, you can fine-tune it using the points. Move them, split them, adjust them to your liking. This edge you've just created will be the path for the light. The light will spill from these cracks, glowing like something divine escaping from a fracture. Ensure the recessed area is set to 0 so the strip of light fits snugly within, while the broken glass pattern remains at 0.1. Now, click on any line to add your light strip. Adjust its brightness and color, then confirm. For efficiency, select all the lines together and apply the lighting at once, or duplicate the effect across the others. I demonstrated it line by line just for you, but a single application works just as well. There you have it. And yes, I may have missed a line or two, but perfection lies in imperfection. Next, add the wall texture of your choice. And for the mirror, select the material labeled Silver Mirror. Do not be alarmed by the lines you see now. Once rendered, they will dissolve, leaving a clean, reflective surface. And now let's render. Watch carefully. This is how it transforms into reality. I am simply showing you the method, but the beauty of this technique lies in its freedom. You can create countless variations, each one unique, as you can see in these pictures. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. And if you are not yet using Coohom, truly, what are you waiting for? There is currently a 72% discount on all popular plans. Use the code EVERYTHINGDESIGN and unlock unlimited creativity. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.